Today, we've got some exciting news about Samsung's upcoming Galaxy S25 series. Fresh off the certification process from the FCC, we've learned some major upgrades coming to both the Galaxy S25 and Galaxy S25 Plus. So let's dive into the specs and what you can expect from these new devices. So first up, Wi-Fi 7. The Galaxy S25 and Galaxy S25 Plus are set to feature Wi-Fi 7, which is a huge step up from the Wi-Fi 6E standard found on last year's Galaxy S24 and Galaxy S24 Plus. For context, the Galaxy S24 Ultra already had Wi-Fi 7, and now the Galaxy S25 and S25 Plus will follow suit. Now, you may be wondering, why is this important? Well, Wi-Fi 7 offers some significant improvements over Wi-Fi 6E. For starters, Wi-Fi 7 has a maximum data rate of 5.8 gigabytes per second, almost 3 times faster than the 2.4 gigabytes per second you get with Wi-Fi 6E. It also boasts lower latency and a wider 320 MHz channel bandwidth compared to Wi-Fi 6E's 120 MHz. This means faster speeds, more stable connections, and a much better overall experience for activities like gaming, streaming, and even virtual reality. But what about last year's models? Well, the reason the Galaxy S24 and S24 Plus couldn't use Wi-Fi 7 comes down to the Exynos 2400 processor. This chip simply doesn't support Wi-Fi 7, and so those phones stuck with Wi-Fi 6E. However, the Galaxy S25 series will likely come with a new chip that does support Wi-Fi 7. Speaking of chips, the Galaxy S25 and S25 Plus will feature the Exynos 2500 processor in most markets. This chip should come with support for Wi-Fi 7, making it a solid upgrade. But here's the twist. In regions like the US, China, and Canada, the phones will probably come with Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Elite instead. This will ensure that Wi-Fi 7 works smoothly, especially in markets where the Exynos chips are less common. For comparison, we've already seen devices like the Galaxy Z Fold Special Edition and the Galaxy Tab S10 Ultra, both of which feature Wi-Fi 7. The Galaxy Z Fold 6 and Galaxy Z Flip 6, however, didn't get Wi-Fi 7 despite packing the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chip. Why? Well, Samsung hasn't clarified that, but it seems like they're reserving Wi-Fi 7 for certain devices in the lineup. So what does this all mean for you, the user? If you're someone who relies on fast, reliable internet for activities like online gaming, 4K streaming, or working from home, the Wi-Fi 7 upgrade is going to be a game changer. The faster speeds, lower latency, and improved bandwidth means smoother experiences, even in busy networks. Now, we should mention that the Galaxy S25 will be the only model in the series not to include ultra-wideband UWB support. UWB is useful for tracking lost items using Galaxy Smart Tag Plus, and it offers a longer range, higher data rate, and better accuracy compared to Bluetooth. So if you're someone who uses UWB often, you may want to look at the S25 Plus or S25 Ultra instead. Now, for those of you wondering when all of this will be available, we expect Samsung to officially unveil the Galaxy S25 series at their first Galaxy Unpacked event of 2025, likely sometime next month. The phones could even be released by the end of January, following the same timeline as the Galaxy S24 lineup earlier this year. Let me know your thoughts on these upgrades in the comments below. Are you excited about Wi-Fi 7, or is there another feature you're more interested in? Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Samsung's Galaxy S25 Ultra is one of the most highly anticipated flagship smartphones of 2025. With its expected release just a few months away, this device promises to refine Samsung's already stellar reputation in the world of premium Android smartphones. In today's video, we'll dive deep into everything we know so far about the Galaxy S25 Ultra, from its release date expectations and price estimates to design changes, hardware upgrades, and much more. So stick around as we explore why this device could be a game changer in the smartphone world. Samsung is expected to unveil the Galaxy S25 Ultra in early 2025, likely in January or February. The company has a consistent track record of launching its flagship series at the beginning of the year, and this trend seems to continue. Rumors suggest that the Unpacked event for the Galaxy S25 series could occur on January 22, 2025, which aligns with Samsung's past patterns. This date makes sense as it allows the brand to capitalize on post-holiday enthusiasm while steering clear of the CES 2025 event, which runs from January 7 to 11. If this timeline holds, the device could hit store shelves by the first week of February. However, there's another twist in the story. A rumored new addition, the Galaxy S25 Slim, might join the lineup. This ultra-thin model could either launch alongside the S25 Ultra or arrive later in April or May. Pricing for the Galaxy S25 Ultra is another hot topic. The Galaxy S24 Ultra saw a price hike earlier this year, but will Samsung dare to increase prices again? Reports suggest the 256GB base model of the Galaxy S25 Ultra could start at $1,299 with a 512GB and 1TB options priced at $1,419 and $1,659 respectively. These are the same prices as the current S24 Ultra lineup, but there's a catch. If Samsung faces challenges with its 3M production yields, this could drive up costs, potentially affecting the final price. Fortunately, Samsung typically offers multiple ways to save. Expect trade-in deals and carrier discounts to make upgrading more affordable. For instance, Herna offers like Verizon's $800 discount with specific plans, or Samsung's trade-in credits up to $750 could extend to the S25 Ultra. So if you're planning to upgrade, keep an eye out for these deals. Now let's talk about design. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is rumored to maintain its premium titanium frame, first introduced with the Galaxy S24 Ultra. However, there's a significant tweak: rounded edges. This design shift is expected to give the S25 Ultra a sleeker, more ergonomic feel, reminiscent of the iconic Galaxy Note series. Leaked renders also hint at a rounded back with a straighter front, creating a subtle asymmetry for a fresh look. The dimensions are expected to measure 162.82 x 77.65 x 8.25 millimeters, making it slightly thinner and narrower, but a touch taller than its predecessor. Additionally, the phone will feature Corning's glare-free glass, further enhancing its durability and aesthetics. When it comes to color options, leaks point to 4 stunning shades: titanium black, titanium blue, titanium gray, titanium silver. Each color exudes elegance and continues Samsung's tradition of offering premium finishes. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is likely to retain its 6.8-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X panel, which has become a hallmark of Samsung's flagship series. This display will likely support a 1 to 120 Hz adaptive refresh rate, ensuring buttery-smooth visuals whether you're gaming or scrolling. One area where we hope to see an improvement is maximum brightness. Samsung could enhance outdoor visibility by boosting the peak brightness beyond the current standards. This would be a welcome upgrade for users who frequently use their phones in bright environments. Cameras are always a highlight of Samsung's Ultra models, and the Galaxy S25 Ultra is no exception. According to trusted leaks, the device will feature a quad-camera setup with the following specifications: 200-megapixel primary sensor, Samsung ISOCELL HP2, 10-megapixel telephoto camera, 3x optical zoom, 50-megapixel periscope telephoto lens, 5x optical zoom, 50-megapixel ultra-wide sensor, Samsung ISOCELL JN3. While the primary telephoto and periscope lenses appear unchanged from the S24 Ultra, the new 50-megapixel ultra-wide sensor promises significant improvements. The addition of this sensor is expected to enhance wide-angle photography and low-light performance. Eye-driven enhancements will also play a crucial role. Samsung has been investing heavily in artificial intelligence for its camera systems, and we anticipate further improvements in image stabilization, portrait modes, and night photography. Under the hood, the Galaxy S25 Ultra is rumored to feature Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, promising lightning-fast performance. This chip will likely be paired with 12GB of RAM in the base model, with a 16GB RAM variant also rumored. In terms of storage, the S25 Ultra might debut Samsung's latest UFS 4.0 4-lane storage technology, offering nearly 8GB/sec speeds, doubling the performance of current UFS 4.0 standards. This upgrade will significantly enhance app loading times, multitasking, and overall efficiency. Battery performance is another crucial factor. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is expected to pack a 5000 mAh battery similar to its predecessor. While a larger battery isn't likely due to space constraints, Samsung could improve battery optimization for longer usage. Charging speeds, however, remain a question mark. While the device is rumored to stick with 45-watt wired charging, we're hopeful for faster charging technology to compete with other brands offering 100-watt or higher speeds. On the software side, the Galaxy S25 Ultra will likely launch with One UI 7.1 based on Android 15. This iteration of One UI is expected to bring new customization options, improved multitasking features, and tighter Galaxy AI integration. Samsung's focus on privacy and security will also take center stage, ensuring users have greater control over their data. Expect enhancements like better app permissions, on-device AI processing, and secure file sharing. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is shaping up to be an impressive device, combining top-tier hardware, refined design, and cutting-edge software. If you're currently using an older model like the Galaxy S22 or S23, the S25 Ultra could be a worthy upgrade. However, if you already own the S24 Ultra, the differences may not be groundbreaking enough to warrant a switch unless you're drawn to specific features like the new ultra-wide camera or the sleek, rounded design. The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra represents the pinnacle of what Samsung aims to achieve in smartphone innovation. With its refined design, improved camera systems, and powerful hardware, this device is set to compete with the best in the industry. Are you excited about the Galaxy S25 Ultra? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on the latest smartphones. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.